Moo. Grab your cow and put that in the middle of a cake, and then I'm adding a glass on top. That is some green frosting. I'm also adding his little cow friends and a little farmer on there too. This is some graham cracker crumble, and I'm also adding some green sugar crystals right to the top. Next, I have some duct tape. I'm ripping off a piece and folding that into a little square and adding that right to the top of the glass. Next, I have some pie pans. These were really cheap. I'm adding one on top and pushing in, adding some hot glue right around the rim. You want to make sure you get a good amount on here so that the next pan can go on top and squish in. These are some fairy lights. I use these for so many things. I'm hot gluing that to the rim and I'm wrapping this all the way around. It'll go around a couple times and then you can glue the battery box right to the bottom. And now you can see these are all glued just like that. Now we gotta have our aliens here. I'm scattering those into the farm, adding them into the frosting. I don't know if you believe in aliens, but I definitely do. And the green ones are definitely in charge. I don't care what anyone says. Now I'm adding a little clear cup right over him. That's his little command center. We're gonna fence in our little farm, so I'm poking that right into the cake, about halfway down. Now again, the aliens, if you're watching, I apologize if this isn't what you look like. It's not my fault. This is just what an Amazon retailer thinks you look like. And here we have it, my alien abduction cake. Why do aliens love cows? I have no idea. It feels like they don't take any other animals, so obviously I had to make this cow themed. He's loving it up there. No shade or disrespect, but if you aliens are listening, why do you like cows so much? Do you take any other animals? All right, and here it is, my welcome home alien spaceship abduction cake. Hopefully this is a nice welcome home because I feel like they're coming. Welcome! Not that that's a bad thing. Hope you all love it, but especially the aliens. I love this one. This is one of my best ones. All right, welcome to my bonus tips and tricks section where I share more in-depth instruction. Even if you're a pro, like I craft all the time, but I always watch these segments, which is why I'm doing it, because you never know the little things that you miss sometimes. So whether you're a beginner or you're advanced, I hope you find this helpful. This is a pretty straightforward one for all my alien lovers. I just use a box cake for this, and of course, you can always make your own cake. You can always make your own frosting. I was showing the easiest way possible to do this. Now, if you are not super handy with your hot glue gun, obviously you can assemble all of this off the cake. I'm practically married to this guy, so I know it in and out. So I felt fine just assembling this on top of the cake, but obviously you don't have to do that. When it comes to hot glue guns, the Gorilla Glue Gun is my favorite, in case anyone needs a good one. They also have a dual temperature one, which is also amazing and comes a little bit bigger. I will link these cake toppers in the description of this video. Now, I kind of feel like anything is a cake topper. So these aren't technically cake toppers. They're just little figurines, little toys, whatever. But again, who says they can't go on a cake? These fairy lights, I highly recommend just having them on stock. They usually come in bulk. I'll link those also. And these I always purchase in bulk. I'm not even sure if you can order them in singles on Amazon, but I feel like it's not even worth it. For how affordable these are, I just feel like it's always better to have them on hand because I use them for so many different crafts. So I hope you enjoy those. This clear pint glass you can get at the Dollar Tree, super inexpensive. And you don't have to pipe the bottom if you don't want to. Obviously, everything is always customizable. And if you don't have one of the fancy piping bags with the little tips, you can always cut a hole in a plastic bag, stick all the frosting in your Ziploc and just pipe it out like that. You won't get the fun designs, but it will look really cool. It'll create a nice trim. All in all, this was a super fun one. Fun for a birthday party or really any occasion. I don't think we need a reason to make an alien abduction cake, in my opinion. Maybe next time you see a UFO, which if anyone has seen one, let me know in the comments. Tell me your story. I'm highly fascinated. Honestly, I think everybody is, right? Hope you all love this one. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching.